Hi, welcome to Cynthia Global Travelers Realtor Tips, Tricks, Words, and Gifts for the month of December. I'm looking forward to spending the month with you and teaching you all kinds of new things and giving you gifts, which is what December is all about. So please stay with us. Once you get your word or your tip, then at the end, just like us and subscribe, and you'll continue to get the new words updated daily. On this 30th day of December, Cynthia's Realtor Words for Thee, Seller Disclosure. A seller's disclosure is a disclosure by the seller of information about the property, which could affect the buyer's decision to purchase the property, all of which is to the best of the seller's knowledge. In some areas, a seller must also indicate items which are not specific to the property itself, but related to the person's enjoyment of the property, such as pest problems, property line disputes, knowledge of major construction projects in the area, military base related noises or activities, association related assessments or legal issues, unusual odors caused by nearby factories, or even recent deaths on the property as permitted by law. In Virginia, not all of that applies because we are a caveat emptor state. So check with me and we'll talk. Hey, I'm wearing this silly costume. The least you can do is hit subscribe below and join me for the rest of the videos.